So I'm going to show you some of the new features that we have coming soon to Kit and some that we already have in Kit. The first one is the one that's coming soon. It's not ready just yet. So for example, here I just selected a model. I've selected a model based on a couple of criteria. One is that the icon here is this color here. And if I wanted to select a prim, I can right click in here and then hit prim, and that will allow me to select prims now, which are the children of that parent model of that chair. And I'm in prim mode because you can tell that the icon here is orange. And a new way to tell as well is in the viewport, you can see that there's a bounding box around that chair. So let me just frame that. And I can toggle that as well. We could not do that before, so now if I hit the Q key, I can toggle prim and model mode. And now that I am in prim mode, what this bounding box allows me to do, besides know that I'm in prim mode, is that when I move this prim, you can see that the bounding box gets bigger, and this allows users to know that the prims are moving further apart from one another, and this way it's just much clearer visually what's happening to that model. Before, you may have been moving things around and had no clue you're affecting the prims versus the entire model itself. And now you can do that fairly easily because of what we have here. Notice that the bounding box around it adjusts based on the position of the prims. We can undo that. The other thing that we have that we did not have before is the ability to move multiple objects, multiple selections in the viewport. So for example, I have this object selected. I'm going to control click and select that one as well. Now I can move two objects at the same time. I can move as many objects as I want at the same time. Before, we were able to select multiple objects, we just could not move them or transfer them. Now we can transform them fairly easily. The other thing that we have that we did not have before is the ability to select inside the tree view multiple objects. So notice I'm using my control key. I'm keeping that down. As I click and cycle through these objects, it selects all of them, and if I hit control on those selections again, it deselects them. So now we're able to do that. The other thing that we have now that we did not have before is I can hit the H hotkey and I can toggle the visibility on any selected prim or model, and notice that it's actually doing that over here in the tree view, that it's hiding and unhiding them as I toggle the H hotkey on those selected objects or selected prims. Okay, thanks for watching.